Okay guys, and this is part 2 of our daily reward system. We're going to be making a leader stat so you have coins and XP, and each time you claim the reward you get about 100 coins and 50 XP, let's say. Yeah, so while you're at it, go in the description below and join my Discord server. You have an amazing community in here which you can talk about scripting and stuff. You will see all my latest videos I make. You will also have access to all the mods I did, the new ones and also the old ones. There is no excuse not to join, you know, just join it and have fun. First of all, let's make the leader stats, yeah? There's nothing too hard. Go into a server script service, click on the plus icon and add a script, and let's rename this to leader stats, yeah? There we go, leader stats. Now we have print hello world. We don't need that, get that thing out of our face. Boom. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do game.players.player added .connect function player, yeah? For each player. Boom. Now what you're gonna do is local leader stats equals instance.new folder, yeah? That's how we do it, yeah? Then let's rename our leader stats name equals to up leader stats. It's very important, you cannot mistype this or else Roblox will not see this as like a leader stat. Then leader stats dot parent equals player. So now when we play the game, boom, you can see if we go into our player and then we go into our on player, we have a folder called leader stats. That's perfect, that's what we need. Yeah, then after this, double enter, and then local your currency. I will do coins, yeah. Instance.new, that will be an int value. Int value is for numbers. Coins.name equals coins, yeah, because this is how you want your thing to look like. And then coins.value will be 0, is how much you start with. These 0 coins, and coins.parent equals leader stats, yeah. Then this is optional. I will also just make really quickly XP. Local XP equals instance.new, also an int value. XP.name equals XP with capital letters. XP.value, we start off with 0 XP. And then XP.parent equals leader stats. So now when you test the game, you will have here a small thing with coins and XP, because if you go into players, we have leader stats folder with 2 int values inside of this. Okay, that's perfect, yeah? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna modify a script which we already made in part 1, which is inside of daily reward handler. Double click this, you will have a very big script here, yeah? So we're gonna change this script a bit. So we have this function player and everything, which is set up correctly, yeah? Just leave this as this, leave this as this, and then we're gonna do the reward giving system, yeah? We're gonna do local leader stats equals player find first child leader stats, yeah? Boom. Then what we're gonna do is if leader stats, so if you found the leader stats in our player, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna local our coins equals leader stats find first child, and then whatever you named your currency with added coins, and local our XP equals leader stats and also find first child, whatever you called your XP, yeah. And if coins, if you found coins, then what we're gonna do coins.value plus equals, so it will add 100 coins to our value. And then if XP, then what you're gonna do is XP.value plus equals to, let's say we get 50 XP when we do daily rewards. Now we press play, we have 0 coins, 0 XP, and then if we claim our reward, we will have 100 coins and 50 XP. And as you can see, I think, no, okay, so yeah, if we play the game, you see we get 100 coins, 50 XP. Let me just do a bigger time. Then we play back, you cannot do because you already claimed today's reward, yeah? Well, I hope you enjoyed the second part of this video. This was a very short one. Now you learned how to make a leader stat, simply a simple one. This is not saved though. So let's say if you leave the game and join back, then you will start off again with 0 XP and 0 coins. If you want me to show you how to make a saving leaderboard, then make sure to like this video and let me know that you want to see that. And also we just changed some things in daily reward handler, which is just this small code. And this is how you attach rewards to your daily reward system. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.